Greetings, everybody. My name is Okoyeocha. Usually from Land of the Rising Sun. Okay, let's go to weekly analysis as I do every week. Today's analysis will be short because I found out that people doesn't like to watch long videos. Last week, last 2 weeks, my videos were 35 minutes and above. So this one will actually be below 30 minutes. So that's many people are watching. So then, if you want more details, then join my Telegram channel because for the time I post charts on the Telegram channel and explain them. And last week also, I made midweek updates on AUD/USD, I think 3 times. So maybe this week again, I mean, that's coming week, I may take up another pair to make such weekly, daily or daily analysis, or maybe two or 3 times in the week. Okay, so let's go to the point now. Remember, DXY, because this is daily charts. After it went down, A, B, expanding flat, we are going to C. Now the question is, have we concluded the wave C here? I think the answer is no. So this is my own forecast that the price will drop at least to 8.2% or even 50 before completing the wave C, then before going down. Now, remember, don't trade against the trend. The trend right now is up. Always follow the 4-hour trend because trend now is up on daily. So when you go to 4 hours, you check what is happening in 4 hours. That's where we always follow because that's the base. Now, we can see 4 hours is going up. And now we have a kind of puzzle. And the puzzle is this A, B, C, or are we trying to get wave B as expanding flat or running flat like A, B, C? Then this will drop. So to me, I don't want to take this one as wave B. I want to go with A, B, C as wave B. So in that case, the wave B might still go up to the other block before going down. So now we need to pay close attention. So if you don't want, if you don't know what to do, allow this place to be taken out. Maybe a drop like this, correction, you can now sell. Then if price goes up to this zone, I will take for set up from here, then I will sell. Okay, so if price goes up to break this zone, I'll be watching to know what will happen next. For now, my focus is to how to sell because the price is going to go to 104 or 103 before the buying continues. So that's for DSY. So let's go to USD. As we know, USD is always opposite of DXY. You all know that. So I will be saying it all the time. So as we can see, USD, the question now is again the same situation. Is this our wave B, or is this making A, B, C? Are we getting wave B to be here? If that is the case, there is a little USD and this one goes opposite direction, but this time around, I see a little kind of disagreement, but not just the disagreement. One might delay, the other one might be faster. For instance, this is what I can see on USD. One is that this either will continue to sell from here to make a new low, or the price will come up to this favorite gap and drop. These two things is what I'm expecting. We may not get this ABC, this one as ABC, then another new high. We may not get it. We may get a new low on this one, but we may not get a new high. We might come to this zone and begin to sell before we now buy again. So I'll be posting the charts on my Telegram channel. So watch out for the update. But bear one thing in mind. Either we are selling from here, for instance, this is wave 1. This can be wave 2. Then this can also be wave 2. So these two places, if you can sell from here, maybe your stop loss will be here. Then if you don't take risk, allow the market to go below this place, then you can look for sell below this place. But if the price comes to this zone, I will be happy because I will sell from here. My stop loss will be here. Okay. This is one of the trades I will take this week. I like the setup. Okay. Next is USD card. USD card. What do we have? Let me show you daily also. So looking at the day chart or USD cards, as I said weeks ago, that this movement here is the complete correction that we're going to break this place and configure up. So now it's obvious we are buying. So what is this thing to do? To join the buyers. If you haven't joined the buyers, simple thing, go to 4 hours. Go to 4 hours and look for correction. You can't join you can't buy from this zone. No, wait for 3 waves pullback. Maybe it can be around here. We have a variable gap here. It may come to this zone and buy, or it may even come to this broken trend line again and buy. So the point is that here is the stop loss for buying. Okay, so wait for a nice correction before you buy. Don't buy from here. This is where I expected it to stop and correct. So I don't know whether it will go above it or not. So for now, it's still at this my target zone. So when market opens, I will know whether it will go above it or not. For now, it's still within the target zone for correction. USD chef. USD chef. Daily is going up. The break of this zone, the break of this channel, so the price of confirmed buying. But mind you, this can be an expanding flat, A, B, C, to give us a new low. Though I'm not looking for this, but the possibility is there. That's what I'm telling you. So for now, let's focus on what is happening here. I mean, let's focus on what is happening here after this movement. So to get it clearer, you go down to 4 hours. You go down to 4 hours to know what is happening. Now 4 hours, you can clearly see that we expected an A, B, C to give us complete correction, but it's far short of the target is this zone, but it's far short of it. And now it's going up. So I don't think it's going to come back to this zone again. So now what I'll be looking for, I have a buy. I bought after the break of this place. I bought from here. I closed it yesterday. So what I will do is I watch out for a kind of A, B, C. Then I will buy again. Here will be my stop loss for now. So it's a simple thing to do this time around. You're not looking for buy, no more selling. Then when setup comes again, I will update you. So let's focus on buying on USD shares. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. Remember, for the past many weeks now, I kept saying that this drop will likely come to 1.17, 1.16, or even 1.14. So it's going down gradually. Looking at it on daily, let's check 4 hours. On 4 hours, 4 hours have a visible nice structure on 4 hours. So visible nice structures on 4 hours. I posted this on my Telegram channel. This drop about 200 pips. Those who are my Telegram channel that put my post might have collected 200 pips or more from this post. Now, in my own idea, this selling is not yet over. This selling we can give us 5 waves. This is wave 1, wave 2. Wave 3 is just beginning. When you go down to 1 hour, you can look for wave 2 or 3 of 3. So I will be going. I will be going down there because of time. So, but I'm looking to sell again. Okay, that's for pounds USD. Look for sell, another sell, opportunity to sell again. Selling not yet over. AUD USD. I think I will not waste time on AUD because last week I made 3 videos or 2 videos during the week explaining all these things because the structure is somehow complex. So someone asked me a question. I decided to make videos to explain so that I would be answering a question every 1 hour. So I made a video explaining what will happen here, and they happened exactly as I explained. So now the question is, where is the terminal point? Where are we going to expect buying? The answer is at least it will go below 0.626, at least. But it may even go 0.62. So what is that? It is still selling. So if you get a pullback on 1 hour of correction, you can join the selling. You can see this is another entry selling. My selling is still open. I opened the sell when it comes to the gap, and it's still dropping. So at least it will close below this zone. I'll have no time to spend on it. New Zealand USD. Let's check daily. Remember, one of the difficult things in trading is that everybody wants to trade the impulse. This is the impulse. Everybody wants to trade this, but the problem is when this thing is happening, when will it end for you to trade this? Because this is gonna happen from here. That's where you need training to train your eyes so that you understand the structure. Some people, before they know what is happening, the price is here. Even from here, they won't even join. They may think it will go back again. But if we train you, you know what to do in this type of situation. So let's go to 4 hours. Let's check 4 hours. Now, even if you don't know what to do, when price goes above this 0.587, look for buy. But right now, the price is still dropping. It is still selling. It can even go to this favorable gap and sell again. But if you buy from here to here, it's a big money already. You can close. But the way I'm looking at this market, the structure, you see drop. We are going below 0.577. It's still dropping. So selling not yet over. AUD USD, using the USD, pounds USD, Euro USD, selling not yet over. KP225. KP225, we have a little difficulty on this, in the sense, I expect this place to be the end of correction. But the way the price is dropping, the selling is still strong. So we will likely go below it. I said likely, not we're going to do it for now. Sometimes price will be dropping like this with sharp fast. Before you know it, it will turn again. So I don't know whether such will happen or not, or which continue dropping. Maybe come to this place before it will turn. I don't know. But just to let you know that it's somehow difficult to predict now. So let's go to 4 hours. In 4 hours, we have 5 waves, which is as simple as being wave 1 of a bigger wave. So this is wave 2. But if it keeps going down and break this zone, it means this count is wrong. Then you have to re-examine all these counts to know if we are getting W, X, Y, X, Z. What we have now is W, X, Y. We must get X, Z. So if price comes up from here, break this zone, and keep going, then here is the last place for depression. If not, we change the count. So for now, that's the only thing I can say on it. Let's move forward so that this video would be long. Euro JPY. JPY pays somehow difficult this time around. Anyway, not all of them. Only USJPY spot is difficult. Others are going as the wave suggests. So now, what is the next move on USJPY? Let me go to 4 hours. The structure of EUR/JPY, I will not like to trade it unless the price do something like this. If the price keeps going up, come to this favorable gap, then I will look for sell, and I will sell it to this zone. But the price will likely make small correction, drop, to give us a kind of A, B, C. Then begin to buy. So I would not like to sell from here to close there, because it may make a little drop and hit either stop loss or break even a little drop. So I will suggest you go for some pairs that are easier to trade than trying to force yourself to trade some pairs that are so technical to follow. USD/JPY. Let me go to daily to show you something. I said it last week, and I'm saying it again. This will definitely happen. And if it happens, this will also happen. But the point is, where will it start? Will it start very sharp, or will it do something like this before it begins to drop? I do not know. But if you pay close attention, if you join my Telegram channel, whenever I see the changes, I will update. I will update because I don't want I don't want anybody that's following me to lose those big drop. The big drop is sure to happen, but who will catch it? We are getting the signs that it will drop. Now, first of all, this place is where I expect it to stop going up. This exact place, you can see the price just kissed it and is dropping. It may not go up again, but this drop alone is not enough to say that the selling have started. At least I would like to see a kind of another big move, then a correction, then another move. Why is that? This can be wave 1, wave 2. This is not enough to be wave 3. If it go up from here again, it may go like this. But if it drop to a big wave 3, then I have more confidence that whatever happened here is wave 4. And after that, the bigger wave, after that, wave 5 will happen, another A, B, C, then a big wave 3 will happen. Okay? If you understand the way, you know what I have taught, what I have just taught you. Okay, so let's continue. Pounds JPY. Anything on that? Anything on that? But just keep it. Pounds JPY. We have two scenarios. One is we have two scenarios here, two buyers. One is that this one can be with 1. Then this can be A, B, C. That's the wave 2. Then it's good to go up. Or if it breaks this zone properly and correct, then the selling continues. Then it becomes A, B here. Then it's C down there. So some of this page, avoid it and focus on the one that is easy to trade. I can trade this, but since there are so many trades to choose from, why not follow the easier one? This is what this is my forecast that the price will drop to 175. And as a matter of fact, if others are dropping, that is USJPY dropping, USJPY dropping, this will also drop. But it's somehow technically difficult to say that this is what will happen. If you count the waves from here, this is nothing but wave A. So the market can override some waves and make it a kind of WXYXZ and begin to go up from here. It's happened so many times. I have experienced that. So I have to be careful not to put you in confusion. Gold. Gold, nothing to explain on gold and silver. I don't know if I skip it, you might be happy if I skip it. But gold is going up. There's no two words about it. It's going up. The question now is, how do you join the buying? You join the buying from here, not advisable. Just as I said on other page that have this kind of structure. Watch out for something like this, A, B, C. Then it will buy. So I can even make W, another A, B, C. Then A, B, C again. Then it will buy. So it may come to 1940 and buy, 1900 and buy. I don't know, but buying from here, I said no. Even if it keeps going up, I cannot buy from here. I stopped buying. When I saw this, I stopped buying because you can never know when the bigger correction can happen. So I like to buy when we have big correction. Okay. So if I see this type of big correction, then I look for buy. So I don't know, I can't buy small correction unless I'm trading on very low time frame, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes. even 1 hour, even 1 hour, I can buy, but very small, with a very small lot size. And my target will also be small, because if you target big on a small time frame, you might be exposing your account to risk. Silver, the same situation. Silver have the same situation. Looking for buying. If it drops further, better. If it keeps going up, you may decide whether to buy from here or wait for it to make further correction. Okay? Platinum, from what I'm looking at of platinum, the structure says that it will drop once more. This is WXY. So once this with Y completes, I expect it to drop from here. Then if it changes, I will also know, because it can be changed like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's what we call leading diagonal, and it can do A, B, C, then buy. The good news is that whatever will happen, it will likely sell either as correction or as impulse. That's the good news there. Oil. Oil, I still remember my bias on oil. So I still remind you my bias on oil, that oil has given us A, B, the wave C is remaining. So oil will likely come to 77, 78, 75, 74, 73 before the big buying continues. So I don't know what else to explain. I don't know what else to explain. This is with a pure with A, B, C, pure with B. So what else? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So don't to explain on oil this time around. Let me go to indices. US 100, NASDAQ. NASDAQ. NASDAQ is still going down. Let me show you daily. I think daily is the best structure we have on NASDAQ. Yeah. A, B, C, W, X, Y. So now what we are looking for, the end of the wave Y is what we are looking for. As you can see, this is 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And wave 5 is always A. So what we're looking for now is A, B, C. Then another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the selling is not yet over. So the best thing is to look for sell when when correction upwards finish. So when it's finished, this is zone, I don't know, very deep. I mean, very higher correction. I don't know. So when price continues to develop, I'll update you if I have the time. But that will be on my Telegram channel, because I will be making videos every day. So I don't know. Next is SP 500. I think they have the same structure. So what's happening here is happening to other places. You can see again, you can see another with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 might have finished, or it can still go a little deeper. And after that, A, B, C. The selling continues. So if you have experience, I don't recommend you buying this unless you go over to 1 hour. You can see buy opportunity. This is what I always buy, because once you have wave A, wave B, wave C is short. So, but for you to trade with A as first leg, you need to be very careful and watch other time frames to confirm. Okay, that's from the US starting, the same situation on US starting, the same situation. we're starting. Let me check whether it's the same thing or anything different. The situation, this ABC does not. Let me tell you something. This ABC was right because the market stormed up from here. So if you're following my analysis, even if you bought around here, you have made about 1,000 pips. So that the price come down to close below, it doesn't mean that it was wrong. It was right when I posted it, but structure has changed. So now, instead of ABC, what we have now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What we have now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what we expect is an ABC for another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's all I can say about that. Because of time, this video is long already. So I want my videos to be below 25 minutes to 28, but now it's at 1 already, but I have to cover others. Maybe I'll start to be very brief so that the video will be long. Okay, let me also touch down before I now close. I'll do 2 videos. The next will be for the cryptos. So you can see we all have the same situation in almost all of them. You can see again, this is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 is with A. It may second lower, I don't know. Then after that, we look for A, B, C. They give us with B. Then with C, we go down. I think you have the best trade coming weeks is these four indices. That's, to me, is the best trade to take this time around because they give us a clear structure, no ambiguity. So okay, thank you for watching. If this is the first time you are watching my video, subscribe, like, share with your friends, comment. You will see links at the description. Links to my Telegram channel is free. WhatsApp channel is free. The only time you spend little money is if you want to learn from me, you let me know. You also see my phone number there is up. The phone number is working on WhatsApp and Telegram. You chat me up if you want to learn from me. Then you get the 2 money and join my students. I have students on my Slack and Telegram. I have already about 18 videos ready so that after watching that, I fix what I want to see with you if you still need some clarifications. Thank you and God bless you.